What's going on, everyone? Tech Me Out here, and today we're gonna talk a little bit about this new Apple MagSafe Battery Pack, and I'm gonna do my best to keep this video short and sweet. We'll see. But we're gonna talk about the things I like, I don't like, and if I feel like it's worth picking up. So let's roll that intro.
And it's a ticket talking margin for the biggest, that's a comment.
So first things first, we got simple packaging here, typical Apple style. So in the box, you get your MagSafe battery pack, you get some paperwork, no cables or Apple stickers or anything like that, just the battery pack. Now, the thing here, y'all, is it only comes in white, which was a little bit disappointing because, you know, the Apple MagSafe, keyword there being MagSafe battery pack, only works with the iPhone 12 lineup, which has MagSafe technology. You know, it's the only iPhone lineup right now, currently, that has it. So it would have been nice to see these kind of color match to the phones. But I don't know, maybe down the road they'll come out with some. In the meantime, thankfully, we have third-party companies, you know, coming through to save the day there. Like Nomad, they have a case for this battery pack. So, you know, we'll get creative in the meantime. And in reference to what it feels like in hand, it is made of hard plastic. It looks very much like silicone, but it's not, y'all. This definitely has more of a soft texture here with the MagSafe symbol. So real simple design. You have a lightning port at the bottom and then one LED. Very much like how the LED works with the AirPods to signify if the battery's low or if it's, you know, all the way charged. Same concept here. I would have loved to have seen though, like 3 LEDs or something so that we can get a better depiction of the battery status. I don't know why, like I never really desired that on AirPods, but on a battery pack, maybe because that's the standard on so many other battery packs, it's what is now my standard and what I'm used to and what I want. So I would love to see in a future iteration of this more LEDs so that we can get a more accurate account of the battery life of this. But when you connect this to your phone and you look at your battery widget, you at least are then able to see the battery life of this. But if I don't have my phone near and I want to check the battery status, you get where I'm going here, people. It would be nice to be able to do that from this alone without depending on my phone. Now, size-wise and use-wise, I like this. I like being able to take this, throw it in my bag and carry it with me and just know that if I need it, I can easily just, you know, plop it on the back of my phone and not have to worry about anything and know that it's charging. Like I don't have to fumble with cords. Like normally, especially when I'm out and about, if I'm using a portable charger, I tend to like shorter cables and I pretty much will put the battery case on the back of the phone like this. So the fact that it naturally just attaches and it's a secure attachment, you know, I'm good. I'm happy with that. Now, it does also work with MagSafe cases. So you're gonna wanna make sure the case, I wanna say most MagSafe cases have this symbol of some form. If it doesn't have that, I would assume it's not a MagSafe case, you know? Like this one here. And this will also show you how this looks on the iPhone 12 mini. So this, I don't believe, is a MagSafe case. It's just a regular case for the iPhone 12. And it does, you know, the phone recognizes it, so it's charging, but you know, it's not secure at all. I was gonna try to shake it to show you, but I can't even, yeah, it's not gonna stay. So you can't rely on this. You can't trust this to stay into place, but it will at least charge your phone if you need to. And in just seeing that right there, yes, this can charge other devices wirelessly. You know, just keep in mind, the connection is not gonna be there. That's just a MagSafe iPhone 12 exclusive thing. So you can charge an Android phone with this. You can charge your AirPods with this wirelessly, but yeah, it's not gonna stay put. Now, I know some people have said the wallet case is a little flimsy, and I can see that, but I did use it for quite some time on my phone, and I don't know, it stays in place. I think for me, the flimsy aspect of it came from possibly accidentally bumping it off, which didn't really happen much, but I will say, I don't know. I feel like the grip of this is stronger. Even though this is larger, I can see myself more so accidentally knocking this off versus this. I know that sounds crazy. It feels like it has more connection points or something. I don't know, it just feels like boom, like this is moving, you see? But with this, it doesn't just, it feels like it has more connection points. Like Well, this is moving a little bit too. It just won't. I don't know, y'all. Like I said, it's probably a mental thing. I really don't know. Now, when it comes to charging things up, the MagSafe battery pack can charge while it's connected to the phone. And what happens is it charges the pack first and then the phone. So I see this being super clutch at like events, like parties, concerts, just when you're out and about. So instead of remembering to bring the battery pack and the cord, you just take this, snap it on, and you're good to go, which I love, especially when I'm out and about and I have to use my phone, whether that be to, you know, just come up here and type, which feels very natural and good in hand. Like you definitely feel the thickness of this on the back, but like my hand kind of naturally rests around it. It just serves more as a handle than anything. It's not annoying, you know, like it's not to a point where I'm like, I'm ready to take this off. And I personally would rather much use a system like this where I can just attach it when I need it, detach it when I don't, versus having a full-blown case that I gotta, you know, either keep on my phone at all times or take and place onto my phone. And I like this better than an external battery pack for what I need in the moment, at least, you know. It's not gonna juice you all the way up because this isn't even enough to charge an iPhone 12, which is the smallest iPhone right here. It's not even enough to charge this up to 100%. An iPhone 12 and 12 Pro is 2,815 milliamps, and a 12 Pro Max is 3,687 milliamps. And this is 1,460 milliamps. And if you don't know what any of that means, you know that that number is less than those numbers. So you can do the math there, y'all. This is not gonna be your hero per se to get you a charge from 0 to 100%. It'll more so just top your battery off.
Now, during testing using my iPhone 12, I noticed that it took about 2 hours to charge from 73% to 100%. And during that time, the MagSafe battery dropped from 83% to 0%. So it's gonna charge slow. So with all of this considered, I would definitely look at this as more of a crutch or a backup.
Now the MagSafe battery pack is priced at $99, and there are some cheaper alternatives, which, you know, I'm interested in checking out if y'all are interested in watching. So definitely let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll do, you know, a cross comparison to see if you should, you know, spend the 100 over the price of those. But you know, outside of that though, there are some things up here that I would, like I said, like to see different. The LED for one, you know, the color options for another. And the price is on the higher end, and I would like to see that a little bit lower, but I do see this as being so convenient and just super easy to use. It's like a nice little snack for your battery, not a meal. And it's ideal for people out there that want a way to seamlessly charge their device on the go without having to worry about cables. But if you want something that's gonna juice your phone up from 0 to 100, or, you know, have that battery pack that's enough to charge your phone and a friend, then you're gonna wanna look at other options. But I don't know, who knows? Maybe Apple might come out with larger capacities. Time will tell. But I do like this, you know, I like the fact that it just, I don't know, it's just so convenient, y'all, and this magnets, just perfect. But I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna throw on screen some more videos that you are welcome to check out. And as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out. And if you've got some more questions about this thing right here, drop it down below. Might do a follow-up on Instagram or something.